Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Isuzu Passig. For today's video, our topic is, what are the modes of payment when you buy a vehicle? There are 4 types of transaction on how to purchase a vehicle. First, cash transaction. Second, bank purchase order transaction. Third, company purchase order transaction. And fourth, in-house financing transaction. What are these transactions? First is the cash transaction. This is the easiest of all transactions because the only requirements needed besides payment, of course, are one valid government-issued ID. Second is bank purchase order transaction. Car loans work by providing a lump sum of money for you to buy a vehicle. Then, it's yours to drive, while also making monthly payments on the loan with interest over time. And here are the requirements: bank purchase order, 2 valid government-issued ID, and down payment. Third is company purchase order. A purchase order is a commercial source document. The document indicates the details on the items that are to be purchased, such as the types of goods, quantity, and price. Purchase order that is issued by a business purchasing department when placing an order with its vendors or suppliers. Fourth and lastly is the in-house financing transaction. This is the sample loan application form here at Isuzu Passig. In simple terms, dealership or in-house financing is when the car dealer facilitates the borrowing process. All you have to do is submit the requirements. The car loan approval process can typically take up to 5 days before you receive the approval. This can be influenced by factors including your credit history, income, identity verification, and promptness in providing loan documentation. And once you have approval from the banks, we can arrange the release of your unit. Congratulations!